Hey guys, jansen.fancher here at MarineMax, Lake Ozarks. I've got the pleasure of showing you 2019 Harris Flowboat 240 Solstice. It's got an 8.6 beam, 25.4 overall length, 30 gallon fuel capacity, and maximum number of people capable of fitting in this boat are 16. Got a beautiful interior package, got a lovely bimini up top. On the back, it's powered by a 350 horsepower Mercury Verado. Beautiful. You can see this boat sounds incredible. Top aboard, shall we? You got removable cup holders here, so you can store them anywhere. Perfect lounge seating with an armrest that pops out just like that. Storage under all the seats in here. So much storage. Super easy. One hand capabilities to put it open and close. Super fluid. Another armrest here. Here we got our Simrad display. Text. Polk audio head unit here. You got swim deck volume, so you guys aren't blasted out here. Got this lovely captain seat. Plenty of more storage here. Here we have our changing station with additional storage. On board is a Polk audio system, and it sounds great, let me tell you. Additional side door here. More storage, plenty of cup holders, and check this out. We have an adjustable seat. So you got plenty of lounging area. And my favorite part of the boat is this additional storage. Look at that. If you guys have any questions, comments, or are interested in this boat, give me a call at 573-606-3029. Thank you.